welcome to Storytime.
In Maryville, Leo and Mia had little money, but much love. Christmas was coming, but they couldn't afford gifts. Mia asked, "Will Santa come without a tree?" Leo winked. "We'll play a Christmas adventure game." "A magical memory is the prize," he said. Level 1. The Snowflake Hunt. Leo whispered, "The magical snowflake looks like a star." Mia giggled and caught one on her mitten. "I found it, Papa." Leo bowed. "You are the champion of snow." Level 2. The Kindness Quest. Leo said, "Every hero gives kindness as a gift." Mia gave Granny Rose a cookie. Granny Rose smiled, "Sweetest gift." Leo whispered, "Level 2 completed." Level 3. The Christmas Light Challenge. Their street was dark. Leo gave Mia a lantern. "Light up the street," Leo said. Mia placed it outside. Neighbors joined with lanterns. The street shimmered like gold. Mia gasped, "Papa, it's beautiful." Leo nodded. "We made it beautiful." Christmas morning arrived. Mia asked, "Did we win?" Leo smiled. "The greatest gift." The neighborhood sang, thanking Mia. Granny Rose gave Mia a scarf. Mia hugged Leo. "Best Christmas ever." Leo hugged her back gently. Love makes Christmas magical. Mia understood. Gifts are lovely. But love and kindness make Christmas magical. The real magic comes from believing. Merry Christmas!
Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun stories.